Dude, that's honestly so cool.
Hi, I'm Zach Mayfield. Welcome to my YouTube video channel. Here on my right hand is the Fuji GFX 100S. It's an absolutely crazy camera that we're gonna go test today. Huge shout out to Lens Rentals, a company where you can rent cameras. They loaned this to me for a week along with the 2 lenses. I'll get into all that. So obviously we have the camera. We also have this 110mm f2G lens and this 32-64 G lens, and it's an f4. If you've watched my videos before, or if you're new here, we have this cult that we've started called Fuji Juice, or the Fuji Juicers. Today we're gonna go out downtown Nashville, me and a couple buddies, and we're gonna create some nice, delicious Fuji juice, and hopefully my memory cards can handle what this baby is gonna spit at it.
Hey, I'm Hillary Duff from Lizzie McGuire, and you're watching
Zach Mayfield.
We're in Nashville somewhere. Somebody recommended this place to us. We're just gonna kind of wander around. I might throw the 110 f2 on so I can snipe some people. We have these cool lights in the background. We're just gonna make some art. Me and my boy Connor here. See what happens. Just like a nice quality centered frame sometimes. Yeah, what you were just doing is cool.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Chill there, that's cool. One sec. Yeah, dude. Oh, it looks cooler in the viewfinder too.
Look a little more at it now.
Glad you were able to join us, brother. Oh, there's actually a plane up there. Get the shot, get the shot. Photoshop it, Photoshop it.
I just took a picture.
Did you get it?
No.
Over here where that street light is kind of throwing some light down.
Yes.
It's a little bright if you look at it. Now I'm gonna go down here so I can get a wider view.
Yes.
Run.
Found a cool street with some interesting potential for bokeh on these little baby lights back here. See, look at that bokeh. So Malachi's gonna shoot. We're still on the 110 f2 because it's pretty dark tonight, and the other lens, the 32-64, is an f4 maximum aperture. So I don't even know if it's gonna be worth it because I don't know how well this camera does in low light yet. So that's still to be determined in Lightroom.
Actually, what you're doing is kind of nice. Adjusting the sleeves, changing the watt. Check that time. What time is it? It's game time.
You got a car coming?
Oh, thank you. I don't want to die.
So far, I'm noticing that the zone autofocus, very sketchy, especially at night. Also, we're on 110mm, so that's not any easier for the camera. So we've chosen single point, kind of using the AF on button to reframe, snag our pics. That's working decent. But I feel like the autofocus system so far, kind of slow compared to other cameras. But we'll continue testing.
Dude, that's honestly so cool.
Sorry, we're going.
No, you're good. I have one too.
Not quite as cool as the compression, but it's still pretty sick. Yo, Connor, you should stand like on that manhole.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty dope. Oh yeah, keep looking that way. That looks sick. Dude, that's so sick. All right, now one serious one.
Well, get that drawing, man.
Oh, I got a good one. have a sponsor song for you. I don't have a nice camera, makes me wanna cry, but I could use lens rentals and use code ZAC15 at checkout for a discount.
Save 15% by switching to ZAC15. It's code lensrentals.com. Put it in great gear. Stop. Tired of spending lots of money on rentals? ZAC15, lensrentals.com. Not anymore. You're not spending a lot of money. Save lots. Lensrentals.com. Great gear.
Appreciate you guys watching. It means a lot. If you're still here, thanks for watching me talk about cameras. I love this community. You guys are really cool. Hopefully stick around. I got some cool plans for the future, both on this channel and my other one. I'll be talking about that soon, but love you. Text me when you get home. Bye.